Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team's called Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we have a grass type training event happening right now with Rosa and Erika as, the featured characters that have expanded sync grids, and you can level up their sync moves by going to exchange items menu and 200 of these voucher queues to raise their sync move level by 1. Anyway, that aside, we have a Brendan and Lyra Spotlight Scout where you can also get Leaf. I am probably going to save my gems for Steven once he comes out later this week. But in the meantime, we'll get our daily discount. Now, what we're going to do is explore and BRB. I am back, guys. We're doing events, grass type training event. And since we already did grass type training event before, we're going to do single player in one go, normal, hard, very hard, super hard in one go. And with that said, let's just switch to some grass types. I kind of leveled up my characters off screen and they're pretty powerful right now. So these are all I have, guys. Everyone I think is at max except Lyra. So let's just bring Brendan. Let's bring Rosa, who is not yet full. And let's bring Lyra. And with that said, we can also probably switch to some grass type, gears. So I have level 3 grass bracelet, which I can probably upgrade soon, hopefully. But I think my current equipment is stronger, so let's just leave it be. Go! This is normal. Let's just set it at normal speed. And actually, Brendan will make quick work of everyone. Apologies, guys. My characters are already powered up. This event is just to collect items, like a lot of items, a lot of gems.
That was a good battle. Our Pokemon gave it their best.
And some sync move level ups.
Great. Now time for another adventure.
1 level up. Moving on to hard, guys. Normal a Babbling Brook, hard Crashing Waves. Let's do this. Sync Orb chance. Let's make good use of that.
Do it.
Dire hit. X special attack all. Dire hit all. Dire hit. X special attack all. Dire hit all.
Do this.
Leave it to me.
I got this.
Probably use no turning back. Let's just attack.
Let's do this.
Sunny side up.
You can do it.
Starting to kill the opponent. And I think I will use Rosa.
Go. You're pretty good.
Go for it. It's all or nothing. Come on.
Awesome. We get one sync orb, guys.
That was a good battle. Our Pokemon gave it their best.
Level up.
Now time for another adventure.
Guys, sync orbs, you can go over to sync grid menu. Team, sync grid, and search for Rosa, Grass. As I was saying, sync grid Rosa has now has an expanded sync grid. And we have 5 of Rosa's sync orbs to use on the sync grid. But we'll save that for later. And we're going to continue with events. Single player, grass type training event. And on to very hard Clashing Rapids. Here we go. I'm walking to my next class. Trying to do this. Sync orb chance, guys.
Here I go.
Do it.
Let's just kill off the first opponent first.
Go.
Let's do this. I got this.
You can do it.
Let's do this. I got this.
Leave it to me.
Now's my chance. Now's my chance.
You can do it.
Rosa, sync orb.
You're pretty good.
It's all or nothing. Come on.
You can do it.
And there you have it, guys. Very hard. Done.
That was a good
Is
battle.
this Clashing
Pokemon
Rapids?
gave it their best.
Level up.
Great. Now time for another adventure.
And guys, we unlock super hard a thundering torrent. Last of this video, let's do this. Bring it. No sync orb chance. Let's just hurry and get this over with. No turning back. Dire hit all. X special attack all.
Let's do this.
Dire hit plus. Dire hit all.
I got this.
Leave it to me.
And we're ready, guys. Bullet Seed.
I got this.
Go. Go.
Go for it. Now's my chance.
Go.
You're pretty good.
Go for it. It's all or nothing.
It's all or nothing. And if I'm not mistaken,
Go.
this should die. And that's it. That's it, guys. The wind is suddenly very strong. Thank you so much for watching. That was super hard. And we're done with this video, guys. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up.
Feels great.
Comment your
Now
thoughts.
time for another
Share this with your
adventure.
friends. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll see you guys in the next video. We'll do co-op later. In the meantime, I have a class. Gonna teach the class first. And that's it. That's it, guys. Rawr.